UHN has a culture of safety, and the Caring Safely program has stemmed from that. Everyone who works at UHN plays a critical role in keeping our organization safe for our patients, for our visitors, and for our staff.
My name is Jennifer Ryan. I am not a nurse, I'm not a physician, but I still have a role in safety at UHN. I remember one day coming into the office and meeting a patient who was very upset. He was very demanding, he was making threatening gestures. I ended up calling a code white on the patient, and I really struggled with it. Looking back, I know that I made the right decision. I made the right decision for the patient, and I made the right decision for our department.
Many of us already work with safety on our mind, but this approach is about collaborating together.
We're almost done here. You have to go to the blood lab. My name is Carmen, and I'm a safety coach. Safety and good patient care has always been very important to me, and they go hand in hand. It's a bunch of little things that you put together to make sure that the patient has a really safe, positive experience.
Because errors don't come from one big event normally. They come from many little mistakes that add up to a big event.
We all have a role to play. It can be everything from the way we order the test, to notifying the patient about the test, to making sure we have the right patient. It's 456-2831.
456-2831.
That's correct.
Okay.
There's no hierarchy in safety conversations. One should be able to both give feedback and receive feedback.
Every morning in our clinic, we get together and people talk about things we can do to make our patient care safer.
Carmen brings the positive in people. She actually comes to you and say, "Good job, Marcy. I'm glad you found that problem. I'm glad you corrected it." It's become more of a positive environment. Even when Carmen is not there, we kind of hear Carmen.
The Safety Coach program is really a peer-to-peer mentorship program.
I do think that having a safety coach actually gives us a voice. I do, because I think that it gives us that opportunity to speak up and be able to put forward what we think in our minds.
From the doctors, the nurses, even the volunteers with us. We're all a team. And if we are working together to make our patients feel safe at the end of the day, we're happy.
I think this was one of the issues. I think there's been a huge change in the culture of this whole organization around safety. Everybody should feel comfortable to speak up and to say something, and we should all listen to them.
I notice that people are changing their behavior. They're bringing up issues that they think might be unsafe. They're not afraid to document something that's happened so that we can, as an organization, ensure that it doesn't happen again.
When we work together, we can achieve incredible safety results.
We're in healthcare. Everyone has a role and a responsibility in safety. And as long as you have the ability to foster those safety behaviors with your colleagues, then this is the role for you.